Ever had a date where everything just clicked and no effort felt wasted? That's the kind of seamless efficiency we aim for when managing medical office buildings. Welcome back, where we turn operational challenges into opportunities for growth. I'm Amit Grover, and today we are diving deep into operational efficiency and cost management for your medical office investments. First, let's tackle operational efficiency. It's about making sure every component of your medical office runs smoothly and economically. Effective space design is key. It can reduce unnecessary movement, making daily operations more efficient for everyone. Incorporating energy efficient systems like LED lighting, smart thermostats, and high efficiency HVAC not only cut down on utility costs, but they also attract tenants who value environmental sustainability. Now, let's talk about leveraging technology. Using modern property management software can streamline processes from lease management and billing to handling maintenance requests and tenant communications. These tools help minimize manual errors and free up your time to focus on tenant satisfaction and strategic planning, which are vital for maintaining a competitive edge. Cost management is also crucial. Regular reviews and negotiations of service contracts can lead to substantial savings. Whether it's cleaning, security, or landscaping, make sure you're getting the best possible service for a fair price. Bulk purchasing for office supplies or medical disposable can also achieve economies of scale, reducing overall costs. Preventative maintenance should be high on your agenda. Like regular health checkups can ward off major medical issues, scheduled maintenance can prevent expensive repairs and equipment failures. Regular checks of roofing, plumbing, electrical systems, and HVAC are essential. Proactive care not only extends the lifespan of these systems, but also ensures minor issues are addressed promptly before escalating. Next, employee training is equally important. A well-informed staff can significantly boost operational efficiency and improve tenant relationships. Investing in regular training sessions on the latest property management practices and customer service can make a substantial difference. Join us next time as we delve into marketing medical office spaces to healthcare providers, where we will discuss effective strategies to attract the right tenants. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. If you have tips or questions about operational efficiency and cost management, please share them in the comments below or reach out to us directly. We thrive on mutual learning. And remember, let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay